More and more people are waking up to what's going to come for XRP. Big price action is just around the corner, and there's a couple of key things you need to be aware of if you're holding XRP. So let's break it all down for you in this video. So what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Like always, hit that like and subscribe button to stay up to date in this crazy cryptocurrency market, and you don't miss a dollar worth of profit. But in this video, I want to talk about a couple of things in relation to XRP, namely what is the opportunity right now and a big utility from the CTO. First of all, let's take a look at the market. The market has gained some strength into the Sunday evening, looking like we could be setting up for a very nice week indeed. 2.54 trillion is the overall cryptocurrency market cap. Bitcoin retesting 67,000, and XRP is up 1.64%. 63.42 is the current price. Interestingly, our volume up at 1.2 billion through a weekend. We've had weekends where this has been 600, 700 million. So very positive to see an increase in volume over on XRP. Now, we did obviously get those court documents. Still, we're waiting for that unseal. 2 days time. Make sure you subscribe. We'll have it for you breaking here right on the channel. And that could be absolutely intrinsic to what's going to come out of that court case May 6th, when we finally get that announcement to come out. But what did I want to talk about? Well, a couple of things that I think is important, in specifically the AMM. Remember, we talked about this last video. AMM, the automated market maker, and ultimately integrated automated market maker, allowing robust DeFi ecosystems. Important, it allows tokenization, specifically on the XRPL. Now, there's been a couple of things to rework, a couple of bugs in the system, as it will, but this is really positive for XRP, really bullish in the sentiment that this is going to offer a massive utility, both in terms of the use case for financial constructs and equally for projects or even countries that want to bring stable coins. The XRPL and the automated market maker are going to increase liquidity. Now, what's important, and remember, I've talked about this in terms of what sits around the side, how this links back into Uphold and some of these big partnerships that XRP have been forming. Very, very important. Now, this is why people are talking about the final phase of XRP before we see a big bull run. And you might be remiss for thinking it's interesting that the CTO brings out a highly potentially lucrative trading bot specifically generated to run on algorithms of XRPL and the AMM over there. You can see there some of the work has been doing. It says they found a compromise. The bot now images 3 AMMs, one for ETH, one for BTC, and one for Sol, and makes the same trades those AMMs would make. This allows me to take more risk by imagining larger AMMs. Here's 3 hours worth of trading, and he gives us an example of kind of how that's all playing out. What's important here, though, is linking it directly back to the XRP AMM. This is going to create a revenue stream for the XRPL, and this is why it's important. This will open up a new dimension when it comes to financial infrastructure. We already know the Hong Kong real estate agents are using it. We already know banks are starting to use it. We already know financial institutions are starting to using it. And this is ultimately very, very important. And ultimately, the view here is 1,000 days a trade could be generating $31,000 worth of profit. Well, imagine that suddenly starts to increase and ultimately starting to put that back into XRP. None and long go the days where we see this continuation of selling of XRP. It will be generating its own revenue, and I think that's important to reference. This is why people are getting bullish. This is why people believe that we are at the end of this continuous stagnant price when it comes to XRP. Now, importantly, when you think about it, what have we coming to a crescendo of results? We have a court case that we already know documents have been filed under a, Remedies Act that you can't see. We have now an automated market maker trading bot that's going to generate revenue for XRPL. And we also know that there are massive partnerships, not only just with Metaco, but with Uphold as well, all of which coming together to get a very interesting view. And this is where experts are talking now about a potential breakout and a potential push to the upside. It says the value of XRP continues to consolidate above the 60 mark, with investors waiting for their token to initiate any substantial rally towards the coveted $1 milestone. It says here, according to what experts, XRP Crypto Analysis, Egrag Crypto, in a series of posts on X, observed that the token is likely on a cusp of a bull run that could potentially propel its claim to $1. Now, interestingly, let's say BTC breaking out, but you look at XRP at the 2.67 mark, look at it on the 4-hour chart, starting to generate a very nice upward trend from these lower bottoms here. And more importantly, starting to generate some higher highs, which is what we want to see in the market. Now, we talked about this yesterday on my video, we have a MACD bullish cross. What does this mean? MACD is a good indication of where price sentiment is going to move. So we are expecting this to continue to the upside. Likewise, RSI right now trending in the middle, giving lots of room and headroom for XRP to really start to accelerate its price movement. Remember, we topped out here at around the 75 cents mark. It feels like it's ready to break. Even if you take the daily, it definitely feels like this upper trend line, this higher 75 mark, definitely going to be where we're looking to retest. But 2.5 in line with the market could be pretty bullish for XRP. Lots of good news. If you want to stay up to date with all of that, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn your notification bell and click all. You're not going to miss a beat. You're going to make sure you are prime placed so that when XRP does explode, you're going to hear it here first. As ever, thank you so much, everybody, for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.